Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea that a 2026 Range Rover Motorhome will be the most luxurious and elegant RV ever suggests a vehicle that goes beyond the typical design of recreational vehicles by combining the legendary luxury and powerful power of Range Rover with the extensive amenities of a premium mobile home. Even though Land Rover hasn't made any announcements about it, this fictitious vehicle would surely set the standard for ultra-luxury motorhomes. The 2026 Range Rover Motorhome's exterior would be readily identifiable, representing the brand's distinctive style on a larger scale. It would have the recognizable floating roof design, elegant proportions, and clean lines that define Range Rover. With advanced LED lighting systems on either side of the grille, possibly integrating adaptive technologies, it would attract attention. Careful attention to detail, such as flush-fitting windows, integrated aerodynamic components that reduce visual clutter, and custom alloy wheels made to match its majestic proportions, would highlight the most elegant claim. Deep, glossy paintwork, delicate chrome or brushed metal accents, and possibly even customized badging are examples of finishes that add to the car's subtle, yet unmistakable luxury. The most luxurious claim would really come into its own inside. The living areas of the motorhome would be a stunning fusion of comfort, technology, and custom craftsmanship, modeled after Range Rover's lavishly furnished cabins. The finest materials would be used, including cool-touch metal accents, exotic wood veneers that have been painstakingly polished, semi-aniline leather upholstery, and perhaps even integrated crystal or ceramic pieces. With separate yet flowing areas for sleeping, eating, living, and personal care, the arrangement would be a masterwork of spatial design. A large salon space may have panoramic windows, adjustable chairs, and a cutting-edge entertainment system with cinematic acoustics and hidden screens. With its custom cabinetry, high-end surfaces, and integrated, high-end appliances, the kitchen would be a gourmet's paradise. With a luxurious bed, lots of storage, and a spa-like en-suite bathroom with heated flooring, high-pressure showers, and maybe even a small sauna or steam room, the master suite would provide a peaceful haven. With its seamless integration of user-friendly controls for all onboard systems, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome would be at the forefront of technology. Climate control, lighting, entertainment, security, and car diagnostics would all be controlled by a complex central command system, possibly with voice activation and haptic feedback. A completely linked mobile office or entertainment center would be ensured by advanced connectivity technologies, such as satellite internet and 5G capabilities. Range Rover's cutting-edge SUV's driver assistance systems would be scaled down for the motorhome, including features like sophisticated adaptive cruise control, a full 360-degree video system for effortless driving, and possibly even semi-autonomous parking. This opulent structure would be supported by a custom, robust chassis designed to provide outstanding ride comfort and stability on any surface. Easy mobility would be made possible by a strong, well-designed powertrain, possibly a hybridized or even entirely electric system that prioritizes silent operation and smooth power delivery. Although primarily built for luxury, the Range Rover capabilities would result in a motorhome that maintains an unexpected level of all-terrain competency, maybe with adjustable air suspension and many terrain response modes for handling a variety of settings. Essentially, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome would be more than just an RV. It would be a mobile declaration of the highest level of luxury, style, and functionality, providing the most discriminating international tourists with an unmatched quality of life.